How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay guys, so today is a different kind of video. I am doing an unboxing with my new camera. It just came and I wanted to open this up with you guys and bring you along with me as I unbox my new camera. Now, I won't be doing a review on it because I will need some time to get used to using this camera, and for me it might take me quite a while. I'm going to have my grandson help me, and when I do a review, that'll probably be months down the line. That'll be time after I have used it and I have gotten used to it, and I will probably come back and let you know what I like about the camera, what I dislike about it, how long did it take me to catch on to everything, or if I caught on to everything about the camera. Okay, so but today we are going to just take it out and we're going to do a reaction of if I like it or if I don't, okay? Now, I don't know if you guys have this camera or not, but the one that I'm using now is the Kodak Easy Share camera. It's a C1530. Yes, that is a very old camera, and I've been using this camera for maybe about I want to say about over a year now. I started off using my phone and it was taking up too much space on my phone, so I had to switch over to something else, and I already had the camera that I'm using now, so that's what I've been using ever since. It's not good quality. Kodak does make a good camera, but um, that for me filming with it, it doesn't do everything that I want it to do. I don't know if you have a problem of having those two black bars on the side, on either side of your picture, but that's what I end up having, and that's why I definitely needed to switch over to a better quality camera. So let's get into it. Let me quit talking and let's get into it. Now, this camera is a Minolta. That's the name of it, and we're going to just, this is the way it came, guys. Let me show you. This is the way it came. And there's nothing on that side. Of course, I have tore off the label. And that's how it looks on each side. Let's get into it. Ooh, I'm so excited. I am so excited. Okay. Now, this is how it looks. I'm going to turn it around for you guys. And I just have this little offer for some flowers, some terra floral flowers. And I just have my return label in case I need to return it. And it is inside of another box. So let's get it out, see what it's looking like. Okay, so this is how it looks. And it says, upside down, and it says the color is red. I chose that. And guys, this is from Fingerhut. My husband has a Fingerhut account, and he told me to go and pick out whatever camera I wanted. I did not want to pick out an expensive camera because we are on a budget. So I just wanted something that was a little upgraded than the one that I had. So I chose the color red, and I will leave all the info of where the camera came from and everything in my description box below. And woo, that's how it looks. Ooh, pretty and red. Okay, we'll get rid of the box. Look at there. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so excited. I got another camera. Yay, yay, yay. Okay, there. That's how it looks on each side. Okay, I'm going to go into it with this knife to get the plastic off. It is beautiful in red. I don't know what other colors. I think they had black, but I think the red was the only color that it came in. Now it says that it is a 20MP photo resolution, 20 megapixels, 1080p full HDT video resolution, 3.0 LCD, 460K display. That's the size of the camera, and 35 optical zoom, optical image stabilization, Wi-Fi connectivity. Woo, I messed that one up. And that's how it looks. Minolta. And let's see. It says automatically captures faces in a scene and takes a picture once a smile is detected on the selected subject's face. Shoot crystal clear high definition video in 16:9 widescreen format at a frame rate of 60 FPS. Control your camera and download photos, videos with built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. Wow. See, that's a lot for me. I know I got to learn a lot. I am not a camera wizard, so it's going to take me a minute to know everything I need to know about this camera. And this is, I guess, all my little books right here. And let's see. Okay, this is a thank you card for my purchase. And this is the quick start guide, which I definitely know I'm going to have to read over. Or I probably will watch a couple videos too. I know I will. Some good YouTubers on here that do good reviews on cameras and everything. And there's my warranty. And this is the software that comes with it. I definitely have to play that first because that's to just download everything. And this is the user's manual. That's how that comes. Okay, we got all that out the way. Let's get to the camera. Okay. And I'm going to, yeah, because this is the camera right here, I can tell. So I'm going to get into this first. Wow. I'm not going to know what to do with myself. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Wow. Can you see that, guys? This is beautiful. Oh, I feel like a real YouTuber. Wow. Okay, and this is how it looks on this side. It says a MN35Z, and I have my lock here. I guess that's the play button, and all this stuff around there. Don't ask me what that is. The menu, and that little button. And then we have some buttons here on the top. We have the on and off button. We have our dial here. Oh my gosh, it has so many buttons. Oh, I know I'm going to have to learn a lot. This is going to be a lot for me, guys. This is probably going to take me months. And I'm going to turn it around this way. And the zoom lens. Ah, I got a zoom lens. Wow. I had one on the other one. It's so tiny, though. This is a big lens. It says 20.0 megapixels, whatever that means. Oh, it has stereo. Okay. And I'm going to turn it on the back side. I don't want to smudge the lens or anything. Let me turn it around. with the oils on my hands. And that's how that looks. Wow. Okay, there is a little port to plug something in. And there is the memory card battery. That's what that is. Okay, I'm going to set that aside. Let's see what this is. Hubby wanted me to open it, and I said, no, I want to do it on camera with my family. And this is my little pouch that I guess I can carry my camera in. That's neat. Like it, like it. Like that it's black. And let's see. And here is my plug. Okay. My adapter. And this is, I believe, the SD card. And it comes like that. Come on out. There we go. Got it. That's what that looks like. And that's all in my box. Oh, no, it isn't. Something else in here. Oh, the lens cap. See, I don't even know. I don't know, y'all. It's good to learn new things, though. Hope I didn't cut anything. No, I didn't. I believe this is the lens cap. I'm assuming. I won't know nothing until I read. And I guess this is the little handle, carrying the little thingy. Okay. Yeah, all of this is, and I believe this is the strap. Oh, I am so excited. And this is the strap. I've had cameras all my life, guys, but you know, back in the day, cameras were very easy to figure out. You just point, shoot, and that was it. The camera did the rest. But nowadays, you almost have to be a technology person to know about this stuff. Okay, no, I'm about to cut it the wrong way. I thought that was it. It comes with a lot of things. And I'm assuming that, yeah, this plugs into the computer. Okay. And something else in here? Yeah. Well, I thought this was the SD card. This is not an SD card. This is the SD card. See? See, y'all, I told y'all I don't know. I don't know. My grandson really going to have to help me out with this. And that it is a 8 gigabyte memory card. It's a Elite Pro. Okay. I believe now that that's it. Okay, that is it. Look at this camera one more time. I love the color. Everything is beautiful on this camera. And guys, that is going to be it for our unboxing. Please don't forget, if you like this video, please subscribe, please like, please comment, and please share this video. And until next time, guys, I will see you probably with my new camera in the next video. Bye-bye, my love.